Never been broke, never been wild, never been regular, never been regular. Iced out chain, iced out bird, bust down roll, bust down bird. 100 on drum, 100 on drum. Arcade know me, arcade know me. War shit on, war shit on, war shit on, war shit on, war shit on. Whoa, whoa, war shit on. Nah, nah, nigga, I'm telling you, nigga, I'm telling you. Never been regular, never been regular. War shit on, war shit on, war shit on, war shit on. Dripping this honey, I feel like I'm winning.
What's up, man? Here we are, one day before Florida truck meet. Well, one day before I'm going down there. It's Thursday. Tomorrow, I'm heading down there on Thursday, but Florida truck meet actually starts Friday. But anyway, here we are, man. Florida truck meet. The crunch has been real, getting stuff ready, getting the truck ready. I'm actually about to go ahead and do a quick wash. I don't even know if I'm gonna include this in the video. This might be a whole separate video. I might just do the Florida truck meet video as just the Florida truck meet stuff. And this prep stuff might just be its own little video that I release before I even go down. I'll probably do this video, release it tonight. But yeah, man, we're great. As you can see, we got the pressure washer out. We got the detail kit stuff out. I'm about to go ahead and get them all washed up, then get over to G's and do some other stuff. Just yeah, get ready for Florida truck meet, man. Get the Dirty Max ready. Let's get it. Full speed, so for the belly. You stop it, Gucci, stop it, Louis V. Come on me, fly you out the breeze. Full speed, so for the belly. Speed post, baby, and make it beat. Waves in my head, smoking weed. Been through the sand in the deep. All because of what I did on beats, baby. Light sweet, baby. I ain't stop, baby. You just go get ready, we go out, baby. Long time looking for the process. Andre had to bounce it. Come on me, keep all of your things, yeah. You stop it, Gucci, stop it, Louis V, yeah. Come on me, fly you out the breeze. Full speed, so for that belly, come on me, keep all of your things, yeah. You stop it, Gucci, stop it, Louis V, yeah. Come on me, fly you out the breeze. Full speed, sweet on Janine. Rolls Royce back, and hitting bills. Bags full of $100 bills. Talking past your wife and she get chilled. All because of how I kept it real. Light sleep, baby, on the G-Way. I'll get you anything you need, baby. Work for everything you see, baby. Ooh, baby. Ooh, come on me. Keep all of your things, yeah. You stop it, Gucci, stop it, Louis V, yeah. Come on me. Fly you out the breeze. Full speed, so for that belly, come on me. All right, y'all. Now that we got both the truck and the Honda nice and clean, we're gonna reveal this one last thing. We got a tent, y'all. I mean, we had one before, just a regular one, but now we got an official club tent. Thing is dope, man. Thing is dope. Got us a table. Probably gotta get a little bit bigger of a table. I mean, I got a bigger table. I just pulled this table out just to show it. But yes, sir. Oh, look at who it is. Oh, CJ. Come bumping up. Yep. The man himself. Quick update. We out here, man. It's Florida truck meet crunch, man. As you can see, we got them all floating on the jacks as we do some final tweaks and whatnot. We getting to it, man. We getting to it. Probably gonna be a long night.
Probably gonna be along with King Kong over there. But we get into it though.
See you.